Hello guys, this is Leena Moon. Welcome back to my channel. You have to watch this video till the end because today's video is going to be very interesting. I would like to share with you something that I have created this YouTube channel with the intention of helping each one of you. You can learn from each other. You must learn to speak up freely with confidence, because it will help you out in the real world. Let's all take this opportunity you have and take advantage of it to the maximum level. In India, what happens if you speak in English well, so you are an intelligent guy. Some people think that it's a part of intelligence. It's just a language. It's not a sign of literacy. It's not a part of intelligence. Nobody is perfect around you. You have to keep yourself motivated all the time. You have to be very clear with the one thing is that people who are judging you all the time, they might not be a right person for you. If you think that people don't motivate you or don't allow you to speak, if possible for you, keep a safe distance from them. Or if possible for you, leave that person. I'm not saying that you break the friendship, but for few days that might create a little bit problem for you. After all, everyone has to live their own life with their own destiny. On the basis of English, you shouldn't judge anyone. If you are an intelligent guy, that is your plus point. But on the basis of language, you can't judge anyone's intelligence. It's not necessary that a guy who is speaking fluently in English is brilliant. It's not like that. After all, English is just a language. Guys, don't make a big bug out of it. Don't consider it is a logical thing. It comes by practice. Don't think that you can't achieve it. If you spend your time with well-qualified people, they don't have time to judge you. They don't care about whether you are making mistakes or not. Remember one thing, always talk to people who motivate you to speak or learn or help you set your goals. You have to be very clear with the thought that if you are doing something purposeless, it might make you less energetic. Don't give up, stay positive. Sometimes you feel that you are not able to gather that courage. Remember, everyone faces the same problem when they start speaking in English. This is the process that you have to face problems in your life. If you are making mistakes, that means you are learning something new. If you are not making mistakes, means you got stuck somewhere. So keep making mistakes and keep learning out of your mistakes. Even though you are gonna make mistakes, don't worry, everyone makes mistakes. You are learners. You are not perfect. You are in this process of learning. It's okay to get fumbled. It's okay to use fillers. It's okay to have problems. If there is a problem, means you are growing. You can improve yourself. You need to work really hard. Without hard work, you are not able to achieve goal in your life. You have to go through all these obstacles, challenges and hurdles. People always get offended when others make fun of their communication skill because they made mistakes while speaking in English. At first, you have to be comfortable in that English speaking environment. Enjoy the journey. That's how you are able to speak in English. Put your thoughts in one way. Just speak. Try to speak as much as you can. English is not just a language, it's an art. Make it a part of your life. This is something that makes you uplifting your confidence and pushes you towards your goal. When we speak something in English, why we feel ashamed? Just take it out, all that is inside you. Just take it out, what you feel like inside. After all, we are human beings. We tend to grab things very easily. Most important thing, you keep it in your mind that no one teaches you speaking in English. English cannot be taught, it can only be caught. Make it as your first love. You fall in love with English. You have got your mobile, you have got your internet. I really want you make it part of your life. It's not a short-term process. It's not a process of 1 month or 2 months. Don't be in hurry. Enjoy the journey. It takes a time of couple of years. Unless and until you're gonna address people in English, it's not going to make your day. I'm truly just wanting to encourage you all with my words. Work hard to become better. Fight. This is like a classroom for all of us. Trust me. You might not be perfect or better than anyone, but every morning you should wake up with the desire to be better than that person you were yesterday. I encourage you all to pay close attention to small details that make you unique and better as you go. We must be hungry for that all the time. Your native language you speak right now, how did you learn it? You learnt it by listening to others and then trying out. Do you remember when you were a child? Did you ever afraid of being judged by anyone? No, never. You never got afraid of anyone. Do you remember moment of your life when you used to forget the words? When you used to fumble? At that point of time, you were not able to speak by using correct words. Slowly, steadily, gradually, you started catching new words. You started observing elder people, how they speak. The same process goes here. You have to observe very carefully. Gradually, you will improve what you are facing right now. You didn't have to go to school to speak because that's the natural thing in us as human beings. You learn to walk by nature. This is natural. Think about the time when you first started to talk. Your parents didn't stop you. They let you go wild. If you want to learn English, you have to be stubborn. Otherwise, you won't be able to learn English. If a person is at beginner's level, few tips for beginners. At first, he should learn all tenses. Past tense, present tense and future tense. After learning tenses, he should learn models. And then he can go for reading simple English books like 3rd, 4th, 5th class students' books. He should watch English videos for the beginners, or I can say that watch videos in which simple English language is used. Make some good English speaking partners, in such a way beginners can learn English. Some people are really enthusiastic about to learn English. Everyone has their own method of learning English. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget subscribe, share and comment. I will be back with another lesson. Till then, you take care of yourself. Have a nice day and bye.